Hey, I'm Colwen. I'm back with the space squid, and I got another randomness. I got these. Oh, come here, ladies. Let me turn you around. There we go. Okay, hi. Got these crisp Dillies, pickled flavored fried cucumbers by Fresh Gourmet. Pickled flavored fried cucumbers, tangy, salty, crunchy like a pickle. I think pickles are made from cucumbers already, aren't they? Great for burgers, mac and cheese, and potato salad. I'm gonna try it on some salad later on, actually. Um, on the back here, the front, they actually look kind of appetizing. They look like sliced up bits of dried cucumber pickle. You know. Again, yeah, a picture of it on the back, on top of what looks like a pulled pork sandwich. That's like some type of mac and cheese, and here's potato salad down here on the bottom, and more. That's cute. They got the barcode inside a little jar there. Okay, so nutrition facts: about 14 servings per container. Serving size 1.5 tablespoon. Um, Calories per serving 40. So that'd be 14 times 40. So that'd be 140. Sounds right. Total fat 2.5 grams, 3%. Saturated fat 0 grams, 0%. Trans fat 0. Cholesterol 0. Sodium 40 milligrams, 2%. Total carbohydrate 1%. Dietary fiber 0 grams, 0%. Total sugar 0, 0. Added sugar 0. Protein 0. Vitamin D, calcium, iron, and potassium. Oh, okay, there are actual numbers, but it's 0 for vitamin D, 2 milligrams of calcium, that's still 0, 0 iron, and 17 milligrams potassium, but that's 0% of your daily intake. You need to have a lot more of that, apparently. Cucumbers, enriched flour, wheat flour, niacin, reduced iron, thiamine, monotrate, riboflavin, folic acid, sunflower, and or canola oil, seasoning, sugar, maltodextrin, salt, garlic powder, white distilled vinegar, citric acid, malic acid, oil of dillweed. Spice extracts contains wheat. Packaged in a facility that also contains tree nuts. Well, let's go ahead and give it a try. Let's go ahead and peel this thing open. It does come with one of those resealable things. There they are in there. Oh, come on. Look like green potato chips. They are green potato chips. Zucchini chips. It, that tastes like a crunchy pickle. That is... that was really good. So, got here my citrus crunch salad with some mango salsa on it. And, of course, you know, the best way to have a salad is to turn a healthy salad immediately unhealthy by adding a pack of turkey sausage right on top, right? Oh, yeah. I am not going to eat this all in one sitting. I'm going to... Nope. I'm going to eat some on camera. Then I'm going to stop recording, edit this all together, because yes, that was a jump cut. Believe it or not. The hell is up with my squid? You're like prolapsing on my head, man. That must be kind of painful. I will fix you later. All right. There's a bit of the, stays nice and crunchy, even though I just shook it all up with sauce. Well, I know they didn't say put these on salad, but the chip mixing with the mango and the lettuce and the sausage even has a really nice sour crunch to it. These are good. You can eat them straight up out of the bag as Munchables, or stick them on top of a salad or burger or whatever else, and it gives you a nice little pickle tartness. If you like pickles, if having pickles in chip form sounds like a good idea, go pick yourself up some crispy Dills pickle fried cucumber. Thank you for watching.